In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deadlines in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial designed for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just looking to make your task management more efficient, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the process step by step, explaining everything you need to know to keep those dreaded deadlines under control. First, we start with creating a task database. Notion is a powerful tool that lets you organize information in various formats. And a task database is a great starting point. Think of it as a spreadsheet, but much more dynamic. Open up Notion and choose to create a new page. Select one of the database options. Table is a solid default choice, as it gives you the grid-like structure that is perfect for task management. Once you have your task database set up, the next step is adding a deadline property. Properties in Notion are like columns in a table, and each one can store a different type of data. Click on Add a Property in your database and choose Date. Label it Deadline to clearly identify the purpose. Now you can input due dates for each task. This step is crucial, as having deadlines visibly associated with tasks reminds you when things need to be completed, ensuring you stay on track. Now let's make your deadlines even more visually accessible by using the calendar or timeline view. These views in Notion are perfect for deadline tracking because they provide an at-a-glance overview of your upcoming tasks. You can switch views by clicking Add a View and selecting Calendar or Timeline. If you prefer seeing a linear progression of tasks, go with the Timeline view. For a more traditional calendar setup where you see all due dates in a monthly overview, the calendar view is your friend. Both views automatically pull in the tasks with their associated deadline property, allowing you to easily visualize your workload. To make your system even more effective, let's add filters to identify overdue tasks. Overdue tasks are those that pass their deadlines without completion, which is something you'll definitely want to keep a close eye on. To set this up, go to your existing view, either the table, calendar, or timeline, and click on Filter. Add a new filter where the condition checks if the deadline is before today's date. With this filter active, you can quickly identify tasks that need immediate attention. This is particularly useful for ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you not only create a robust database of tasks, but also gain a clear visual and functional grasp of upcoming deadlines. With the dynamic features of Notion, managing and tracking your deadlines becomes a seamless part of your daily routine, helping you stay organized and productive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Notioning!